How to connect Bluetooth to PS5. First of all, make sure the device you want to connect to the PlayStation 5 has Bluetooth turned on. Once you've done that, click up on the D-pad on the PlayStation 5 home screen, then scroll to the left and click X on Settings. Scroll down until you see the section where it says Accessories. In the accessories section, make sure you click the right hand side and then click on Bluetooth accessories. There you should be able to see the device you've turned Bluetooth on. Make sure obviously where it says turn off Bluetooth for me, you want to click turn on if it's there. Ideally you want to see turn off Bluetooth, that means you know it's turned on. So that's where you do that in there. You can also click on advanced settings, but just make sure that's turned on. You can turn them off in there as well. But then go back to the Bluetooth accessories once you've turned on Bluetooth on your device, and it will be there. If not, potentially there is a problem with the Bluetooth or the device you're trying to connect, like your iPhone, etc. But that's how it's done. If it works, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.